Hello there. Today I'm gonna show you how to set your DSLR camera on wedding photography. This is my Nikon D5200 that I bought in 2022. This is my simple setting that you can learn fast or when you're in a rush. Without further ado, let's begin. The first thing I set is mechanical shutter speed.
I will go for lower shutter speed between 100 to 200 to reduce the amount of light that entered my shutter. If you want more freeze and sharper photo, go for 250 or 300.
But if the place looked a bit dark, lower your shutter speed maximum to 150 is the best choice. Secondly, change your f-stop. I will change my f-stop, or you can call it aperture. f8 is too small opening so less light will enter. It's too dark and less blurry background. I got my Nikon AF-STX Nikkor 35mm f1.8G. For my taste, I will go for f2 to f3.2 most of the time. This is for the bride and the groom to get more blurry background, but balanced with contrast and sharp detail. I only go for 1.8 when I'm too close with the subject. Thirdly, the ISO. Find the ISO button and press it with the command dial. Roll the command dial till it ISO 100 to 300. If the place look darker, increase your ISO, but if bright, decrease it. Don't raise your ISO more than 1600 if you can. Use speedlight to get better lighting result. You can see the brightness level on this screen. My choice is brighter plus than 0 level. This setting was almost perfect, but there's something I need to check. And it was shutter continuous shooting. Do you use single frame, or continuous low, or continuous high? This is the button. There it is. There's 3 options you can choose here. For me, I will go for continuous high, because I want to capture every loving shot and moment that I want to get. Your shutter speed gonna 5 frames per second. Single frame is good too, but it's embarrassing when you misfocus or other mistakes in just one photo you get. With continuous shooting, you have some backup with you. For movie setting, I will choose Full HD 1080p 30fps. I will not go to 1080p 60i. This is because 60i looks terrible. It was like low data connection or low engine power. I also recommend you go for 720 60p if you want to do some slow-mo videos. Don't worry decreasing video quality. The 60p frames looks great for a real camera. For image quality, go for RAW. If you want AD plus JPG, your camera will be a bit slow because of processor, but okay if you didn't use live view. Then, for white balance, if you beginner in this area like me, just go for auto white balance.
Or try use A for paper and take a photo with this menu.
It feels like using QR code. I think that's all I can give you as a beginner. I'm not professional photographer, but just know what I'm doing as a beginner. If you want to continue to look at this cute Nikon DSLR, just watch it till the end. Thank you for watching. Peace yo.